Hello friends, welcome to Artificial Intelligence video tutorial series. From the past few video tutorials, we are trying to understand game AI or game artificial intelligence. In the previous video tutorials, we understood that any game agent in the game world follows three key steps in a loop. They are sense, think and act. Sense, think and act. To build any game agent, we need to understand how to implement sensing, thinking and acting steps of that specific game agent. To build any game agent, we need to understand how to implement its sensing, thinking and acting steps. From this video tutorial onwards, for the next few video tutorials, we are going to understand how to implement game agents sensing, thinking and acting steps, or how do we implement sense, think and act cycle. We should remember that the game agents in the game world will not be just humans. There will be animals, vehicles or any other idealistic creatures. So we must build game agents which should not only act like humans, they should also act like animals or other creatures. All game agents must not be having the same level of intelligence, because the humans and animals have their own level of sensing limit. They have their own level of thinking and understanding limit, and the way how they react to different situations is different. As I told, humans and animals have their own level of sensing limit, perception limit. The sense of touch, the sense of taste, the sense of sight, the sense of hearing, the sense of smell and the sense of balance will be different from one person to another person, from humans to animals. If you take an example of sense of sight, we can't see things which are present outside the viewing range, or we can't see things which are present outside the viewing distance. The viewing distance or the viewing range will be different from one person to another person, from humans to animals. For example, some persons can see objects which are present at a mile away, and some other persons can see objects which are present at 1 or 2 miles away, whereas some birds and animals can see objects which are present at more than 2 miles, 3 miles away. So the viewing distance differs from humans to animals. Next, we can't see things which are present outside the viewing angle. We humans can see objects which are present in a viewing angle of 0 to 120 or 180 degree. We can't see objects which are present exactly behind us. Whereas some animals or some birds can see objects which are present in a viewing angle of 360 degree. They can see objects which are present behind them also. So the viewing angle also differs from humans to animals. We can't see things which are present behind the obstacles. Of course, the animals and humans can see objects which are present behind a transparent object, for example a transparent glass, etc. If you take an example of sense of hearing, we can't hear the sound after the hearing range. Hearing range also differs from humans to humans, humans to animals. As I told, humans and animals have their own level of thinking and understanding limit. Some humans or animals are dumb or smart, clever or intelligent, etc. And the way how they react to different situations is also different. For example, some react suddenly and some react slowly. Some may hide or run away from enemies, or some may chase and fight against the enemy. If a person is brave, he may chase and fight against the enemy. If a person is a coward, he might hide or run away from the enemy. So the way how they react to different situations is different. Whenever we build a game agent, first we need to do some research on that type of game agent, and then we should implement the same humans, animals or other creatures limitations in the game agents to make the gameplay realistic. So we should implement the limitation of humans if we are building the human agent. If we are building an animal agent, then we have to implement that specific animal's limitation in that game agent. Then only the gameplay looks realistic. So I hope you guys have clearly understood how to build game agents. As I told, whenever you build a game agent, first you should do some research on that type of game agent, then implement that specific game agent's limitations so that the gameplay becomes realistic. From the next video tutorial onwards, we are going to understand how to implement sensing, thinking and acting steps of a game agent. I think for this video tutorial this much is enough, friends. I hope you guys have clearly understood. I suggest you people to watch this video again and again, understand everything clearly. For more benefits and be up to date, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to like, comment and share these videos with others so that everyone will get benefited. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.